Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, active grille shutters, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning, automatic climate control. Come see the car for yourself.